This is element 31, symbol Ga, discovered by French chemist Bois Vaudran. He named it gallium after Gallia, the ancient Latin name for France, due to its unusual properties. With Mr. Choi, we'll test these unique traits. Where are you going?
To the bathroom. Why the camera?
I was waiting.
This why?
I thought of a fun experiment to try with you.
What is it? Will I know?
In Chinese.
Gallium.
Good at Chinese.
Just my name.
What's your name?
Zhangtai.
It's a metal that can melt other metals.
That's interesting.
And try to analyze it, Mr. Jung Tae, a humanities teacher, will do the experiment without prior info.
Me with this.
Yes.
2 cola cans in this already?
The title is
Is yes.
Aluminum Cans.
Melting. It's too easy to infer
Melting.
since it implies that you're melting it with this.
Yes. You're smart. I found an interesting video. I won't show it to you.
How to melt?
For viewers. How will Jung Tae do?
I'm a humanities major, so I can't. Will it melt with this? Can I touch it?
It's harmless. We'll wear gloves. I'll be your assistant today.
Oh, my assistant.
Yes, command me.
Bring gloves.
Yes.
Opening now. Oh, it's opening. Look at it.
Ooh.
It's completely solid. It won't come out.
Early challenges.
Melt it. Bring the heat gun.
Yes, got it.
Oh, thanks. Watch. It's heating. You too hot. 60 degrees lowered since it can melt plastic. Oh, you're not helping.
Yes, I'm just an assistant.
I'll melt it.
It's kind of sloshing.
Oh, it's pressing down. Oh, it's shaking now.
It's shaking.
Inside. Dropped.
Oh,
Bring a syringe, please.
syringe is here.
I'll suck it up. What happened? Didn't expect.
재밌는 영상.
Please explain why this is not working.
You don't need it. Let's try. Nice. Could you give me a hint on the melting point of gallium?
Gallium melts at 30.
Exact temperature.
30. Body temp melt. Warmest body part?
Todd armpit.
Armpit. No, heart.
Ah,
Hands take long. I'll use a heat gun.
sucked up
Hot. Not before.
really well.
Is it true, really?
Yes.
Wow, let me try. It's melted now. Wow. I'll do it. Oh,
Wow.
why do this?
How to melt it.
It's really sloshing around like water now. It was how to melt an aluminum can, remember. I'll show you.
Oh, no delay.
Huh,
Taught what?
it won't suck if hot.
No, should I? It's faulty.
Wow, it worked. Doing it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, pop. Wow,
Wow.
so pretty. What next? I'll listen. Looks like jelly. Should we wait until it hardens?
I'll wait.
Okay.
How is it? Hardened.
Yes. Not all. Looks remarkable. It bends.
Want to touch? Like gum?
Taut now the final.
Yes.
Did the cola work?
Yeah, not hard.
Not hardening. Did the cola rise?
Correct method. Please,
Slightly wrong.
this is the method. Can you get a screwdriver?
Yes.
That's right, this should pierce and collapse. I'll try. Try gently.
Yes.
Huh, it's not going in. What now? Method's wrong. It doesn't work? What went wrong? A hint.
Prevent corrosion. Needs treatment.
I removed the coating.
Too rough.
I'll handle it well. Thanks, I'll pour now.
Suggest.
What if it swells and suddenly bursts later?
Was it pressed?
Swell, right?
Yes.
Explodes.
Its own charm.
3, 2, 1. Ah,
That.
wow, oh my. See you in an hour. It's 5:20. I leave soon.
To my.
Well, wouldn't that have its own taste?
This is carbonated.
Jumte,
Yes,
did we test that gallium?
gallium.
2 days.
Forgot gallium.
Try it.
Todd's still there. Gallium, let's go. Why are you doing that alone? Crash. What's different?
The color's changed.
It's solid now, right? It's not flowing.
Yes.
The goal was to see if it breaks. Right.
Head to yes.
Shall we test?
Sounds good.
Scalpel. I'll press it with some flair. Let's go. Scary. 3, 2, 1. What happened? Bang! Bang!
It's breaking apart. Look at it go.
It's breaking.
Yes, the aluminum's breaking.
How's it feel?
Want to try?
Going wow, what?
Like a biscuit.
Like a biscuit?
Feels like sap or mud flats.
Wow, look at this. Whoa, that's incredible.
The coating peeled off easily. Wow, it's all coming off.
Not breaking?
Yeah, it breaks here. Gallium didn't seep through.
Now. Aluminum's powder now. Can I clump?
Try clumping? Let's clump gallium.
Clumping. Oh, not clumping.
Breaking like dirt.
But last week we put gallium on top of a can, right?
Yes,
That's why it happened.
that's
What
right.
caused this?
Oh, let me explain a bit.
Okay.
Why does gallium break aluminum? Before that, let's talk about gallium. It melts at a temperature of around 30 degrees. It's unusual because it liquefies on a human palm, which is about 37 degrees. The key is this liquid gallium. Inside gallium, it's composed of particles that exhibit high activity. This high activity causes a problem when it comes into contact with other metals. It penetrates metal particles. This is called gallium infiltration. Gallium infiltration disrupts the crystal structure, creating point defects that weaken the material, allowing it to be broken with minimal force.